What keeps modern data centers running at peak speed and density? It all comes down to signal integrity, thermal management, and minimizing interference. The Stewart Connector QSFP-DD lineup, including high-speed card edge connectors, rugged cages, and passive copper cable assemblies, delivers the reliable performance engineers demand. In this tech guide, we'll take a closer look at the portfolio and how it supports 400G Ethernet, InfiniBand EDR, and other high-speed standards. If your design involves high-density servers, switches, or patch panels, this is a guide you won't want to miss. Let's check it out.
Step 1. High-speed I/O card edge connector, 76 pins.
Let's start with Stewart Connector's high-speed I/O card edge connector. But here's an engineer's challenge. How do you maintain signal integrity while transmitting massive data in a compact card interface? Stewart Connector's high-speed I/O card edge connector features 76 pins, providing reliable physical and electrical connections for high-speed board-to-board data transfer. Its precision design helps minimize insertion loss and crosstalk, supporting aggregated data rates up to 400 gigabits per second.
Did you know the card edge connector mates easily with the QSFP-DD cages, minimizing signal loss and supporting future high-performance server upgrades? The QSFP-DD board connector also supports backward compatibility, accepting legacy QSFP modules, though QSFP-DD modules won't fit older QSFP connectors. This preserves signal integrity for high-speed data and enables scalable, next-generation server architectures. Next, we'll take a closer look at the QSFP-DD cages lineup.
Step 2. QSFP-DD cage lineup.
We're going to explore the QSFP-DD cage lineup, engineered for optical and electrical interconnects. But first, here's an engineer's challenge. How do you securely place components while controlling heat and preserving signal integrity in dense servers? QSFP-DD cages, built from robust metal alloys, provide a secure, stable interface for transceivers while supporting thermal management and reliable signal transfer. Their construction aids thermal management by dissipating heat efficiently, protecting components during high-speed operation. By maintaining alignment and shielding, they reduce EMI and preserve signal integrity even in demanding data center conditions. Did you know optional heat sinks are available for the cages, enhancing thermal performance and helping maintain reliable operation in high-density, high-throughput server racks? QSFP-DD cages deliver secure, high-speed performance you can count on in dense server environments. Next, we'll take a look at passive copper cable assemblies.
Step 3. Passive copper cable assemblies.
Okay, Stewart Connector's passive copper cable assemblies round out the connectivity ecosystem. But how do you transmit ultra-fast data over short links without crosstalk or signal loss? Well, precision connectors, shielding, and careful alignment keep high-speed signals clean. Stewart Connector passive copper cable assemblies include 8 differential copper pairs, providing 4 independent data channels, each capable of 56 gigabits per second. They support wire gauges from 30 AWG to 28 AWG and are compatible with QSFP-DD interfaces on both ends. Lengths range from 0.5 meters to 2 meters, and EEPROM support allows the host system to recognize cable parameters for improved reliability and monitoring.
Did you know these cables meet 400G Ethernet and InfiniBand EDR standards, delivering reliable performance while supporting the latest high-speed data protocols? Precision engineering minimizes insertion loss and crosstalk, making these assemblies perfect for high-speed, high-density environments where signal fidelity is critical. We'll talk more about applications coming up.
Step 4. QSFP-DD connectors, cages, and cable assemblies applications.
Stewart Connector's QSFP-DD connectors, cages, and assemblies deliver high-speed, reliable performance across a wide range of applications. They are ideal for networking devices such as switches, routers, and high-speed network cards, servers, and patch panels, supporting 400G Ethernet and InfiniBand EDR. They also excel in cloud and AI environments with high-throughput servers and GPU clusters, as well as industrial systems including factory automation and robotics. and short-link copper links for modular data center interconnections. With versatility and precision engineering, Stewart's QSFP-DD portfolio ensures dependable connectivity wherever high-speed data is critical. Next, we'll go over some recommended practice tips.
Step 5. Integration and recommended practice tips.
To get the most out of Stewart Connector QSFP-DD solutions, it's important to follow key integration practices. First, select connectors and cages based on data rate, channel count, and environmental requirements. Use the 76-pin card edge connectors for secure board-to-board links. Also, pair them with robust QSFP-DD cages to optimize thermal management and EMI shielding. Next, be sure to choose passive copper cables to match your distance and space needs. And it's always a good idea to validate the system under real-world conditions, including temperature extremes, vibration, and high-density deployment. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure reliable, high-performance connectivity across even the most demanding server and data center environments.
Conclusion.
Stewart Connector's QSFP-DD ecosystem, including 76-pin high-speed I/O card edge connectors, robust metal cages, and high-performance copper cable assemblies, provides a complete solution for modern high-speed, high-density data center applications. By leveraging these components, engineers can maximize signal integrity, thermal performance, and reliability for 400G Ethernet, InfiniBand EDR, and other advanced networking systems. To learn more or purchase these components, visit Mouser.com or click the link below. And be sure to check out our other tech guides, because smart minds never stop learning.